I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the affected panels to identify dents, creases, and rust. Document locations so you don't miss spots. Once done, don protective gear because dust and chemicals can harm you, and make sure the area is clean and well ventilated. Next, prep tools and materials. Sandpaper from coarse to fine, body filler, spreaders, and automotive primer. This sequence matters because correct abrasion and the right filler choice determine adhesion and a smooth finish. You begin by straightening the panel with a hammer and dolly, moving metal from the periphery toward the low center to restore contour. This prevents overstretching. Then sand down to bare metal at problem areas so the filler bonds. Use 80 grit initially. Mix the two-part body filler precisely and apply thin layers. Thin passes reduce shrinkage. Once cured, sand progressively from coarse to fine to feather edges and reveal a seamless transition for primer and paint. You prep the repaired surface with an adhesion promoter, then apply 2 to 3 thin primer coats, sanding lightly between coats to remove imperfections. This creates a uniform base. Once smooth, mask surrounding panels and apply matched base coat, blending into adjacent paint so the repair disappears. Then spray 2 to 3 even clear coat passes for protection and gloss. After full cure, you compound and polish to match factory sheen. If runs or orange peel appear, stop and test a small area to adjust technique before full redo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.